Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Walnut Creek local and long-distance movers near me. Finding a trustworthy and cheap Walnut Creek moving company isn't hard. 3 Movers provides the local and long-distance moving services you need. Our team works with all types of moves, including large homes, small apartments, and even businesses. No matter what you need to move or where it needs to go, we are here to help you. Our team will help you with your long-distance move. We make it easy to move 100 miles or 2,500 miles. No matter how far you need to go, we've got you covered. Our team will even offer the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you decide to hire a California moving company, you gain several benefits. Our team will help you get settled into your new location faster and sooner. We do all the heavy lifting for you. Show up to your new location without draining all your energy by letting us help you with your local move. You won't even need to recruit family or friends to help on moving day. Choosing a good moving company, such as 3 Movers, means you get a streamlined moving day. We provide you with the services you need to make moving simple and easy. A move that might take you 3 days, we get done in 1 afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Walnut Creek moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.